My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed her baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.
Okay, go.
On the Carter's tiny homestead, our garden is always in transition, and currently it's being transformed with a greenhouse. We got the pieces from someone off of Facebook. Reg had the windows from somewhere a long time ago, and now it is erected. We can't wait to start growing our plants inside. What fun to fertilize our earth and to feed our bodies. Nature, natural, reused, repurposed, and recycled, reduced, and of course, as always, that's Carter's Tiny Homestead.
I want to get it fixed up first.
Okay, I won't look anymore. Whoops. This is the greenhouse. This is the greenhouse. My mom got it off of Facebook. I think she even got it for free. It might have been $30, but I think she got it for free. Reg built it, of course. He be building all my mama's stuff. She want it, he built it. So they put a window in for heat and ventilation, air, oxygen. Because it does get warm in this bee. And it has a door. Yeah, it's just a simple greenhouse. It's excellent. Look at it so far. It's got that amaranth coming up nice. What are these? I don't know what those are. Tomatoes maybe? Bok choy. Kales, Brussels sprouts. Ow, I just hit my head.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.